that shit. Street money.
2011, Street money. Hard work, man. You know what I'm saying? It's that latest from right here in Fourth Coast, man. Midwest region, man. I put that out 2010.